Hi traders, this is Liam Hulse, and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off the week, on Monday, traders will pay attention to the Asian session with the release of the TD Securities Inflation Report from Australia, which comes at a time when the RBA are considering a rate cut, so the news will be closely watched and volatility in the Australian dollar is expected. In the American and European sessions, the market will await market service PMI numbers from France, Germany, the Eurozone as a whole, and the US. All numbers came in above 50 last month, which shows the sector's in expansion mode, and another good round of figures should provide some support to the US dollar and the euro. On Tuesday, during the Asian session, the market will await the latest interest rate decision from the RBA, followed by a monetary press conference. No changes in rates are expected, so all eyes will be on the following statement for signs of the bank's future movements, and we expect some volatility in the Australian dollar. In the European session, we'll see the release of the latest factory orders from Germany, which is a key indicator of business confidence and should provide some opportunities in the euro. On Wednesday, the focus again will be on Germany, with the release of industrial production figures, which are expected to come in a little higher than last month at 0.3%. And if analysts are correct, we may see the euro receive a boost. In the American session, we'll see the IV Purchasing Managers Index from Canada, which is another key indicator of the business sector, and opportunities in the Canadian dollar are expected. On Thursday, all eyes will be on the Asian session, with the release of import, export, and trade balance figures from China. There are worries at the moment on the health of the world's second largest economy due to the damage inflicted by the ongoing trade wars with the US. So this release is of vital importance and volatility is expected in the Chinese yuan. In the American session, we'll see the initial job claims figures from the US, which should give a snapshot on the employment sector and provide traders with opportunities in the US dollar. On Friday, during the European session, we'll see the release of the GDP numbers from Great Britain. The numbers are of huge importance, and there is talk of a rate cut later in the year from the Bank of England. So we expect the news to provide some major movements and opportunities in the pound. To finish off the week, we'll see the latest interest rate decision from the Bank of Canada, followed by a monetary press conference, which will provide some trading opportunities in the Canadian dollar to close out the week. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you next week.